stood right. Wanted to go the distance, wanted to live that good life. Put some work on that wood, jumped and took flight. Left his hand writing in that book what that looked like. Happy mess is the reach, touch and manifest it. Caught between respect your mama and them battle weapons. Lost your adolescence at them intersections. Spread them wings and you're gonna need some landing lessons. The sun is gonna burn them feathers. Lost track of time trying to ride the bender. Used to have an agenda, but really why remember? Doesn't matter when your head's in a bottle somewhere in Tribeca. Or maybe you sedated up in Silver Lake. Cheating fate, first rate, feeling great. Trying to turn a first date into a friendly game of kill the snake. Can't wait to get her face against the pillowcase. Progress that came with a cost. Rejoice for the rain that'll wash. Multiple choice, you can stay on that cross. So grab it by the arms and break them off. The wheels are stopped, done, so let me off. Deal the cards, but already lost. Kill me now just to get applause. Steal the shot, run, and set it off. I feel and I fear and I want and I can't break away. Feel and I fear and I want and I can't break away.
Lights out, shoot up the station. TV's dead, where's there to run? Watch everybody come undone. Lights out, won't make it easy, won't make it fun. Won't let them see now how they won. Still, I lay another round, darling. Don't have to worry, you're locked in tight, darling. Now don't you worry, turn out the lights. Wiped out, no concentration. They got us basking in a storm. I watch it as it loses form. I doubt they even see me. Guess what I want? A casualty, but I am in front. And I know what it's about, darling. Don't have to worry, you're locked in tight, darling. Now don't you worry, turn out the lights.
I'll meet you at the bottom of the sea. We'll float into obscurity. Disappear into the unknown. We don't need no wings, but we're gonna fly. Yesterday seems so far away.